Salatino House by Sommet in Santa Cruz de la Sierra, Bolivia. The Salatino House is located in a gated community in the municipality of Porongo, in Santa Cruz, Bolivia. The design of the house is characterized by its orientation towards the surrounding golf course, which functions as an integrated component of the outdoor space. This design responds to the idea of establishing a visual spatial continuity with the field, turning it into an organic extension of the private garden of the house. The Salatino house presents a formal composition composed of two overlapping and perpendicular volumes. They are separated by a concrete beam that generates the overlap between them. The black metal beams, which frame the slabs, emphasize the division between these volumes and contribute to the complexity and cohesion of the composition. The program of the house is organized into three differentiated levels: basement, ground floor, and upper floor. The basement houses the service areas, while the ground floor houses the social program of the house. The underlying main concept is functional flexibility, allowing for both joint and independent use of the social areas. This is achieved through a linear layout that connects the living/dining room, kitchen, and barbecue area. The upper floor houses two ensuite bedrooms and a master suite with direct panoramic views of the golf course. The staircase, which establishes the connection between both levels, is strategically located under a skylight, which serves the function of providing natural zenithal lighting throughout its path. The house is also characterized by the incorporation of metal sunshades that surround the upper volume of the house. These sunshades provide privacy to the rest areas and regulate direct solar incidence. The facade of the ground floor is covered with a wooden lattice, giving warmth and distinction to the exterior of the residence.